Maria said, my name is Vladislav Barkovsky. I'm head of Cloud Sales Development Department in Moog Group. We are actually responsible for selling software, services, and those Microsoft subscriptions, Azure subscription, and so on. A lot of different products. Let me tell a little bit about Moog Group. If you previously didn't work with us, maybe you should know a little more. So who we are a solution provider. We are value-added distributor. We are official distributor of Microsoft company and many other vendors. Actually, we have more than 100 vendors in our portfolio. We working in 18 countries for the moment, from Mongolia to Slovenia and so on. As you can see in the map, a lot of countries where we are presented. So why we are here, why we are talking about our company, because we are glad to find new opportunities, new partners, and of course, new customers. And if you are a little bit interested in Microsoft AI solutions, Microsoft Copilot, or different cloud solutions, just feel free to contact us to ask for details, because we have huge expertise, we have a big partner network, and we can help you to find, to deploy, to integrate any cloud solutions into your business. So we got some designations in Microsoft partner company. So we are modern work solution provider and infrastructure Azure solution provider for the moment, and we are developing for getting more statuses. We have a big team of qualified engineers. We are ready to help you in any questions you have. Of course, also we providing not only services and software, we providing integration projects, we providing professional services and consulting services for our partners and for our customers. So you have our contacts, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions. I will skip that promos. It's if you will be interested, just contact us. We'll tell you everything about how to get some promos, how to get some features about Microsoft Azure, about professional services. So really glad to meet all you here. Thank you for your attentions. And I pass the microphone to our speaker, our expert in AI solutions, Michael Patsan. Michael, your time now. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Nice to see you again here. And today we will talk about AI chatbot and how to create, how to use chatbot, and how to build chatbot using Microsoft Copilot Studio, but not only Microsoft Copilot Studio, and more another software and more another platform. So let's start. As I say, my name is Michael Pats. I am founder of Web3 University Berlin Global, and we more than 10 years work with AI solution, and not only AI solution, but intellectual system solution. It's more right definition. So what is an intellectual system? So we today we will build a really intellectual system, because it's something narrow system which can solve some solution for us using software which holds artificial intelligence. And today as I say, we talk about Microsoft Copilot. So we will build some intellectual system using Microsoft Copilot. But now the next stage of evolution of intellectual system is intellectual agent. So we can use different intellectual system who can solve for us, for example, a part for write the text, a part for create an image, create a video, something like that. And we can use different intellectual system, combine it to one business process, and this called intellectual agent, because we can just write a prompt for this intellectual agent. For example, create for me a marketing post in Instagram, and another intellectual system can challenge this problem and create for us this post using using what? Using at first write a post, and then a second show this post for audience which built by artificial intelligence for our target audience. Then this audience, for example, can show for take some score for this. Give some score for this post, and then copywriter and I mean another international system write this post for biggest score. And after that, we can receive this post, or we can publish this post on the Instagram or another platform. So I mean that intellectual agent, this the artificial intelligence who can think, who can do more than intellectual system. But now we couldn't build intellectual agents without building intellectual systems. So today we will build some intellectual system using Microsoft Copilot Studio, and for this we will use GPT, generate pre-trained transformer. I mean, we will use large language model based on transformer architecture. This is a forecasting model who knows the sense of the sentence and can calculate word, can calculate meaning of this word, and for manage this GPT, we will write some prompt and about this we will talk later. Now talk about development pipeline. So for build some intellectual system, we need to define a goal. What we wanted to build. What is was the goal of our intellectual system, because it's not about process, it's about result. Is the first. And the second is when we know what we wanted to do, the second is create an architecture. So we need to build architecture, and for this we will use Copilot Studio. After that, we can add some information in the database. In this database, we can add information about our company, information about some another information from another company, from another product, or something like that. I mean, all information which our intellectual system needs to know. And for run all of this, we need to write a prompt, because prompt is the main thing. Is something like software program which we develop by natural language in English, and write what this program needs to do. So how to write a prompt, we were talking today. And then we will use the Power Platform and the Copilot Studio for build this intellectual agent. As I say, prompt engineering and prompt is the computer program which use for manage all process which in GPT model and another generative AI models. So it's process to design, creating, optimizing prompts or instruction which we give to AI model. And prompt help us to speak with machine, to speak with AI. And also this prompt can help one AI to speak to another. As I said before, we can use intellectual system, one intellectual system for write the text, another intellectual system for creating an image, for example, and this different intellectual system can speak with each other using some prompts. So now we are going to new future with more intellectual agent, and I think that this year and next will start to new era of intellectual agent which we can build, which company will integrate for this. And as I say in previous my webinar, AI, this is a new electricity, and it's new energy. How we can write this prompt? We can write this prompt just using several methods and several patterns. Today I show you some methods. It's zero shot, few shot, chain of sync, and generated knowledge prompting. But we can use another one more. But in my practice, I see that more solution we can solve, we can build and solve more tasks just writing this, just using this method for writing a prompt. What is the zero shot? What is the few shot? And let's explain. We can use, for example, Microsoft Copilot, which built in the Bing. Also, you can use Microsoft Copilot Pro, because in Pro version we have more opportunity. We have possibility to interact with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Outlook, and all apps, Microsoft apps, and all Microsoft ecosystem. Now I show you how to write a prompt for in Microsoft Copilot, or maybe we can use Notebook for better interaction. And then I will show you how we can by one prompt create a commercial proposal, can create a PowerPoint presentation using this commercial proposal, or calculate interact with some table using Microsoft Excel. So let's start. At first, zero shot prompting. What is the zero shot prompting? Zero shot prompting is when we write a prompt just by one sentence without any context for LLM model, and it shows something like that. Write me a commercial proposal for Microsoft, okay. And then we will receive this commercial proposal just a few seconds. I think that it will be a few seconds. Yes, just writing this prompt, and it's really easy because we can not just writing commercial proposal. We can also writing some emails, some post and answer for another project. So as you see, just without any specific. Yeah, it's finished. Without any specific details, we receive full commercial proposal using just one prompt. So it means zero shot prompt. But this commercial proposal is not very interesting because it don't have any context. And for example, if you wanted to teach maybe our LLM model to write with some style, with write with in the some structure, we can use a few shot prompting and show what show examples of what this LLM model needs to need to generate. For example, write me a post, a 3 posts for social media with one sentence, emoji, and hashtag. After that, we receive 3 posts. Just one moment. Yeah, here. So we have these 3 posts, and then I wanted to show you the next. We can make the next task. I mean, write the next task. I can just write this 3 examples, and then I can write just write me 5 posts for social media. And for example, topic AI. And now Copilot will write me three, not three, five more posts using the same style, using topic, using some text and emoji and hashtag. So I mean that we can teach AI how to write for us a post. And for example, if we wanted to solve some mathematical task or maybe some complex tasks, we can use chain of thought prompting. And chain of thought prompting is when we write the next prompt, follow the next steps. So we write different more easy task for AI, and then AI solve all of these tests. So for example, just I stop this responding. For example, write me a post for social media about AI. The second is create for me and image for this post. And one hack, we can write let's think step by step, and it's easy for AI understands that need to write for me a post, as you see, and then create an image. So now we will receive an image for this post. Also, when we use Copilot, we can write for example, song for this. But if you wanted to write some song, we need to use plugins, and it's also very great for Copilot integrated in Bing, because we can add Instacart, Kayak, Klarna, and we can also add Suno. And this plugin can just a moment. We need to start new conversation. And this plugin help for us to write a song. We can compose a full song, for example, and then Copilot will use Suno and for this and create for us this song. So you can try. It's really very nice music. Sometimes I use AI generated music without. I mean. Don't use radio and use AI generated music, because it's better than some song on the radio. So it's I using this prompt. I want to see how we can interact with Copilot, and how we can interact with the GPT model. I don't know listen or not. But we have some music we have. So but we can also integrate with interact with Microsoft apps, and we can use, for example, Microsoft Word to create all different text. I mean, all of this text I create using AI. How it work? We can just click to this button, Microsoft Copilot. It work only in Microsoft Copilot Pro, and write, for example, write for me a post about artificial intelligence in business. And then we will receive all of this posts, and we can use zero should prompting here, and artificial intelligence in business, and where is next? After that we receive full text because it's have some time. Okay. And now GPT will write for us whole text. I think, yeah, text is start to printing, and we have all of this, and it's easiest that write all of this text by myself or by yourself, and we can keep this text, we can regenerate, we can delete this text. I keep this, but we also can, what we can do that when we write this post, we can share this. Just copying the link, just one moment. We can just copy this link and share this post. But for what? For example, for Microsoft PowerPoint, we have presentation. So in PowerPoint, we also have Copilot, and we can use information from Word to write a task, create a presentation, for example, about AI using this file. So I just send a link to this file, and after that, I receive the whole presentation, the amazing application of artificial intelligence. All information from this Copilot take from my docs and write me this presentation, and it's spent maybe 2 minutes or maybe less to create all of this presentation. So for example, sorry, I. Just one moment. I can open new, for example, Word document, and it's the blank document. Click to Microsoft Copilot, and for example, create for me commercial proposal about Microsoft Copilot Pro for business. After that, we will receive whole text assistant for development, introduction, and the next. So just one moment. When Copilot finished for writing for me this commercial proposal, introduction, benefits, and I think we will receive more text. And as you see, I write this in the online in the real time, and it's great because all of this commercial proposal, I think that if I write this by myself, it's I will spend more than 1 or maybe 2 or 3 hours. We have pricing plan, we have technical requirements. It's great. It's more five. Yeah, we have 5 pages now. It's one commercial proposal about Microsoft Copilot Pro. I don't do anything. And okay, I want to stop it. But oh yeah, we have a conclusion, and now we can just share copy link for this. Just a moment, I will copy, and then we can go to PowerPoint. And for example, let's start a blank presentation, and then we will use Copilot to create a new presentation using this all of this tests. And you can estimate how much time you will use for create presentation using this structure. Keep it, yeah. Using all the structure. Yes, and we have blank presentation. We can just click to Copilot in this corner, and then we can here write create write a prompt, create for me a presentation. A presentation using this file, and I send a link for this file. After that, maybe 1-2 minutes, and we will receive a great presentation using all of these 5 pages. just one moment. Yeah, 5 or 6 pages. So 6 pages commercial proposal, and just few minutes. As you see, Microsoft Copilot Pro, introduction, features, benefits, pricing plan, pricing table, technical requirement, support. Uh, PowerPoint understand about what is this file, about what is this commercial proposal, and we have 96% to generating finished to generating this slide. Just for a moment, and we will receive the great presentation. I think it will be great. I believe in Copilot, and that Copilot do for us something great. Yeah, Microsoft Copilot Pro, the ultimate AI system for developers. The ultimate AI system for developers. It's the same agenda. Introduction, features and benefits for, as you see, all features and benefits, pricing plans, pricing table, technical requirement, and so on. So I mean that you can use your information to create different type of text, and then just write one prompt. You can create a presentation using Microsoft Copilot Pro, and it works not only in Word and PowerPoint. It works in the another apps in Microsoft Copilot, or I mean, sorry, in the Microsoft ecosystem. For example, in Excel, it also works, but now it works only in preview mode, and we can just interact with one table which Microsoft provide for us. But in the future, we will can to provide with different table, with our tables, find some key highlight in this table, restructure this table, create diagrams, create another table using this, and just writing a prompt. I just write a prompt for Microsoft Copilot and receive all this information. So it's work in Microsoft apps, but we also can create for us a intellectual system. I mean AI chatbot who can interact with our customers and who can interact with the with our clients in different use cases. I mean, it's client support, marketing, sales, recruitment, legal documents, financial documents, and so on, something like that. And for this, we will use Microsoft Copilot Studio for customizing all of this. Microsoft Copilot Studio looks like that. And here we can create some chatbots who will have information about our company, who can interact with our users by some different in different ways, who can understand our users. We don't need to create some triggers. We can, but we don't need to do this. Some triggers about word, about what need to our client do for interact some trees, but and our Copilot can work with our client like really like intellectual agent. So for build this, we need to have access to Copilot Studio, and here when you I scale this when you go to Copilot Studio back part, we can here click to new Copilot. For example, we can give for this Copilot some name, for example, book web. For example, we can put some language. For example, now we will use English, and here we can put enter our websites, and our Copilot will use information from these websites to give for us some different information. I mean, we can use, for example, MOOC group sites, just and add here, and then we can click to create. So a few moments, Copilot setting for us these bots, and then we can interact for this. We can use some threads. We can we can build some threads. So we can build we can write a prompt how this bot can interact with us, and we can publish this bot to our websites, or maybe we can add this Copilot to another different websites, messengers, or something like that. So we have hello, I am a MOOC web. So as you see, we have this Copilot here. We can click just one moment. We have topics, and we can create some different threads for goodbye message, for greeting message. Some also we here have some different threads. For example, if you wanted to add this chatbots for our marketplace, for our business, I will show it now. But also we have here some settings. We can add more websites. For example, I can add websites of our university here also, and after that, when we add more information, websites, or maybe we can drop here some files with the information. And when we ask something, our Copilot, tell me more about MOOC. After that, Copilot will go to a website MOOC group and find this information. But now Copilot write for us that he is sorry. But why he is sorry? Because now I didn't save it. That's why Copilot don't want it to work with us. We need to save this information. And now tell me about group. And after that, Copilot, if Copilot describe all information from websites, I will scrape all information from websites, and now we have all of this MOOC in different countries, all of this information, and also I can write, tell me about, for example, global, and this Copilot will also go to website Learn to Global and send me all information. But now they couldn't do this. Why? Because don't scrape all information from this site. So we need to wait when AI scrape all information, save this information. After that, Copilot will answer for our clients all of this information. So we also can add action for Copilot. I mean, there's different reads which can Copilot do. We have different variables, we have analytics, and when we finish to build our Copilot, we can publish to our website. So we can publish to our Microsoft Teams, to Skype, or to another apps. I mean, to different channels when we can interact with these Copilots. So back to the topics. In topics, we can create some threads, some interesting workflow when here we can how how Copilot will interact with our clients. So here we can add some triggers, for example, using some phrases, bye, goodbye, or something like that. We can add here information. Would you want to end the conversation? Some variables, yes, no, and if we choose some option of response, we can also go to different ways. For example, if we wanted to end the conversation we go to this way. If we don't want to end this conversation, we will go to another ways, and we can build different this node. We can add different nodes for this workflow, not only with phrases, but also with we can interact with, for example, some another Copilot. We can interact with and generate some response using OpenAI GPT and more another nodes. So we can just click to this plus button and we can send a message, ask a question, add a condition, save some variables. Here we can add some topics different. Also, we have call to action if you want. If you wanted to run some action, we can here also add this. And in advanced, we can send some HTTP response. We can generate answer using GPT model or another actions. So, for example, we can generate answer. Here we just need to say input from previous node and add data source. Also here we can add some additional information for us, for our Copilot, and give information, for example, for us, we give information for some different product, and also we can add this node to another web service for interact with this web service and collect the information which will generate for our users like a response. So it's all of this we can do in topics. Here, when you create this Copilot, we will have different lessons with some specific tasks. For example, we want this lesson show for us how to work with different condition variables, and for example, we wanted to buy some items, so it's triggered if we have the phrase buy item, buy online, buy product. After that, we will receive this message. So I mean that we can create a robot systems, and we can create an intellectual system, don't using this nodes, but also is different part is hard part to change to choose what we wanted to build. We wanted to build a robot system or intellectual system, but in Copilot we can combine all of this. We can use and robot system. I mean, when you have a template of the answers and have a quick response, and also we can use a GPT for generating some response. But when we use a GPT for generating response, we will pay for each token, for each word. So it's not a big money, but it's cost. So, but when we use a robot system, we don't need to pay anything. So in this part we can so I mean that we can combine robot system like this, and we can combine generating system for generate some intellectual response, and after that we can create really great copilots, really great chatbots for us and for our clients. I mean, we can receive a message. After that, Copilot can give us a question, and depend of the condition, we go to different ways, and we can interact with another intellectual agent. We can interact with another web services, and when we go to finished, this Copilot for us and for our client, as you see, create an invoice, and shipped an item which our client wanted to buy, and it's really easy, and is help our client managers for interact with our customers. So and we can create different these topics. So just click to create and create this interaction. Or if we don't want to create these topics, so we just can speak with our Copilot. For example, I try to one more way, and yeah. Oh, I add generative answer, but don't delete this, because in this kind we don't need to interact with this. But we also when we set all topics, when we set all information how to all information for our Copilot, we can publish this just clicking to publish button, and after that we can use different channels. I mean, websites, Facebook, Skype, Teams, Slack, and to set up our Copilot to these channels. Also, we can use Microsoft Power Platform to add some different plugins like AI plugins and conversational plugins, and that's also one more. For Copilot can speak with us with different language, and it's one Copilot can interact with whole world in different countries in different languages, and it's also a great opportunity. So I think I show you some opportunity and what can do this Copilot, what we can do with Copilot Pro. If you have any question, you can ask in our chat, and now that's all. Bye bye.